Switching to dark mode on Google Finance can reduce eye strain and help save battery life, especially for long browsing sessions. Here's how to enable dark mode for Google Finance. Check System Dark Mode Settings. For desktop, Finance will follow the system-wide theme of your operating system. If your computer is set to dark mode, Google Finance should automatically switch to dark. Windows, go to Settings, Personalization, Colors, choose dark under Choose Your Color. macOS, go to System Preferences, General, select dark under the Appearance section. For mobile, Google Finance follows the system theme. If your phone is set to dark mode, the app will switch automatically. Android, go to Settings, Display, select dark under the Theme section. iOS, go to Settings, Display and Brightness, choose dark under Appearance. Use Google Chrome's dark mode. For Google Chrome, you can enable dark mode independently of the system settings. Open Chrome and type the following in the address bar. Search for Force Dark Mode for web content, enable it and restart Chrome. Enjoy Google Finance in dark mode. Once enabled, Google Finance will display in dark mode, offering a sleeker, more comfortable browsing experience.